here's an activity that you can do without anything. You don't need any paper, pens, nothing at all, except a knowledge of some times tables. But you can use a multiplication square to help with this if you would like to. It's called I'm thinking of a number, and this can be adapted to anything at all. You could even just do it for number bonds as well as times tables. So here's a few examples. I'm thinking of a number between 30 and 40 that can be divided by 5 and divided by 7. That would be 35. Here's another one. I'm thinking of a number between 40 and 50. This one can be divided by 3, but it's not divisible by 6. So that would be 45. Here's another one, getting a little bit more challenging now. I'm thinking of a number between 130 and 150. It's divisible by 8 and 9. Might need a bit more thinking time on that one, but it would be 144. You can adapt that for anything at all. Enjoy it. Just think of a number and give some clues to what it might be. Enjoy!